Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to discuss applying solving equations to problems on consecutive integers. Okay, so first off, what does consecutive integers mean? They mean an integer is a whole number so integer just means whole numbers and not a fraction, not a decimal. And consecutive means in a row. Okay? So examples of consecutive integers: 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 100, 101, 102. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at how this works. So 3 consecutive integers have a sum of 84. That means the first integer plus the second integer plus the third integer adds to 84. And we want to find the 3 integers. Okay, so let's call the first integer x. All right, because we don't know what the first integer is, x is our starting point. Well, the next consecutive integer, the next integer in a row would be 1 above x. Let's say x was 9, right? Let's say our first integer was 9. Then our next integer would have to be 10. So whatever x is, we're going to add 1 to that. So x plus 1 will be the second integer. And then x plus 2 will be the third integer. It's going to keep going up by 1 each time. Okay, so the 3 consecutive integers have a sum of 84. That means first plus second plus the third has to add to 84. Okay, so let's put in what we have what we wrote on top to solve an equation that'll give us our solutions. So the first integer, x, plus the second one is x plus 1, plus the third one, x plus 2, equals 84. Combining like terms, we have 3 x's, so 3x, and then a 2 and a 1, so plus 3 equals 84. So we're going to subtract 3 from each side. 3x equals 81. Okay, we write this over here. And we'll divide each side by 3. So that means x is 27. Okay, so the first integer is x, so that's going to be 27. Next one, x plus 1, so that's going to be 27 plus 1, which is 28. And the third one is called x plus 2, so that's going to be 27 plus 2, or 29. So the way you can check, 27, 28, 29 are consecutive integers. They're whole numbers. They're in a row. So, and if we add 27, 28, and 29, we do get 84. Okay, number 2, 3 consecutive integers have a sum of 51. Find the integers. So, again, x is going to be the first integer. X plus 1 is going to be the second integer. And x plus 2 will be the third integer. So they have a sum of 51, so the first plus second plus the third adds to 51. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 51. Like terms, 3x plus 3 equals 51. We'll subtract 3 from each side. So 3x equals 48. Divide, so that means x is 16. Okay, so for our integers, the first one is x, so 16. X plus 1 will be 16 plus 1, 17. And x plus 2 is the third. That's going to be 16 plus 2, which is 18. Okay, to check, 16, 17, and 18 are integers. They're whole numbers, and they're consecutive. 16, 17, 18 appear in a row, and they have a sum of 51 because 16 plus 17 plus 18 is indeed 51.